Let me show you how to create this glow effect in Photoshop. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the layer. Choose the Quick Selection tool and click the Select Subject button. Add a layer mask. Hide the background layer. Now choose the brush and fix the selection. Show this layer. Press Ctrl or Command and click to load the selection. Now cut out the upper part. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the layer. Select the layer and press Ctrl or Command G to make a group. Hide this group. Select the background layer and add a color lookup adjustment layer. Select Moonlight Color Lookup. Add a black and white adjustment layer and set the opacity to 50%. Show this group and convert this layer to a smart object. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the layer. Change the blending mode to Linear Dodge Add. Go to the Filter menu, select Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 5 for softer edges. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the layer. Double-click on the Smart Filter and set the radius to 50. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the layer. Double-click on the Smart Filter and set the radius to 100. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the layer. Double-click on the Smart Filter and set the radius to 250. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the layer. Double-click on the Smart Filter and set the radius to 500. Close the group. Add a hue saturation adjustment layer. Add it as a clipping mask to the group. Click on Colorize and follow this process. Select this layer and add a curves adjustment layer. Click on Create Clipping Mask. Select the mask layer. Pick the brush and follow this process. Select this layer and press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the layer. Click on Create Clipping Mask. Select the mask layer, press Ctrl or Command I to invert, and follow this process. Open this image. Change the blending mode to screen. Add a mask layer, press Ctrl or Command I to invert, and follow this process. Add a level adjustment layer. Click on Create Clipping Mask. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and select Crisp Warm Look. Adjust the opacity size as desired. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for your support. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.